people who are relying on it, nearly 5 to 6 lakh people are there, employees are there, their job is at. I am raising an important issue, madam. There are around 5,000 small and medium copper smelters in India who are engaged in producing or manufacturing copper alloy tubes, pipes, bars, etc. to the tune of around 1,30,000 to 1,60,000 tons per year. And the employees engaged in are more to 5 to 6 lakhs employees are there. As per the trade agreement with the Asian countries, we are excluding the foreign companies to bring the finished product in India without duty. And the people who are purchasing raw material from abroad are being penalized by asking them to pay 5% duty on it. Therefore, the Indian smelters who are manufacturing these copper tubes and alloys are being harassed by this. Their profitability has gone to down very 0%, and the people who are relying on it, nearly 5 to 6 lakh people are there, employees are there, their job is at stake. Therefore, I request, madam, the advantage of the TT being taken by Japan and China, they are setting up plants in Vietnam, and through Vietnam they are sending it to the India. The copper tubes and other things directly go to the consumer without any sale tax on it, without any duty on it. Therefore, I request Honorable Prime Minister is saying about promoting about Make in India. In this Make in India, the copper smelters who are trying to manufacture the copper in India, kindly waive off the import duty on them, yes, so that they also survive, and let us have a level playing ground on it. Thank you so much, madam.